In today's video, I'll show you how to change desktop on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and be on your desktop. Then what you have to do is just click on Windows plus Tab together. And then you'll get an option like this. As you can see, I'm currently on desktop 1. Now to create another desktop, I just have to click on New Desktop, the plus button. And as you can see, a desktop 2 has been added. I can just click on it and go here. As you can see, my old apps are not here anymore. I can also change the desktop wallpaper. Just right click on the desktop and click on personalize. From here, just select a different wallpaper. And as you can see, the desktop wallpaper has changed. Now I can go back to my old desktop as well. I'll just click on Windows plus Tab. And I will go back to desktop 1. And as you can see, I have the old desktop and the old background over here, as well as all the apps over here as well. And basically that is it. And that is how to change desktop on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.